Dear gardening enthusiasts, today we are revealing the secret to the healthiest and most robust tomatoes. This fertilizer will make your tomatoes grow faster and stronger while producing larger, tastier, and more disease-resistant fruits. But be careful, this is not just any fertilizer. It is a natural elixir that many experienced gardeners use but rarely talk about. Do you want your tomatoes to grow like something out of a fairy tale? Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell, because here we share only the best gardening secrets. Thank you for your support. Today, more than ever, our tomatoes need natural care. Chemicals and artificial fertilizers may provide quick results, but in the long run, they weaken the plants and deplete the soil. Organic fertilizers, on the other hand, not only nourish the tomatoes, but also revitalize the soil, strengthen the roots, and help plants defend themselves against diseases and pests. Imagine if there were a simple mixture that could do all of this, a mixture that boosts tomato strength, enhances fruit quality, and guarantees an incredibly abundant harvest. And here's the big secret: the best organic fertilizer for tomatoes is milk and baking soda. This combination strengthens the plant, helps protect against diseases, and makes the fruits juicier and more flavorful. How to prepare and use it: ingredients: 1 liter of milk, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 10 liters of water. Instructions: mix the milk and baking soda thoroughly in the water. Water your tomatoes with this solution once every 2 weeks, preferably in the morning or evening, so the plants can absorb the nutrients more effectively. This natural fertilizer not only nourishes the plant, but also protects it from fungal diseases. Who has already used milk in the garden? Write in the comments and share your experience. And of course, send this video to your friends and share it on social media. Let everyone know about this powerful gardening trick.